Hi my beautiful mysteries, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a black cat makeup tutorial for Halloween. So I've already started, I've primed, I've put on my foundation, my concealer, I've done my brows, I've powdered. So let's just get straight into the eyes. I've also already applied eye primer. So for my first color, I'm going to be going in with the Game of Thrones palette by Urban Decay. This isn't out much anymore. In fact, I don't think you can find it anywhere. But all you really need is a bunch of green colors. Any kind can do. So first up, I'm going in the Winterfell side, and I'm going in with this sparkly greenish color right here called The Sight. Right here. And with the Jeffree Star JS6 brush, I'm going to be tapping into that very lightly. And this palette actually comes with a mirror, so I'm going to be using that. And I'm just going to go in the outer corners of my eyes. You know, I'm going to pick up a different mirror. I'm going to pick up my hand mirror. And I don't think I put enough on my brush. That's my fault. Okay, much better. Here we go. Yep, there we go. See, much better. And I'm going to keep this color on the sides and on the inner corners. I'm leaving the middle part blank. Okay, yep, got those two sides done. Looks nuts right now, but it'll all come together later. Just give me a second. And that was actually the only green color I was going to use from that palette. I think it's actually the only green color at all. I'm not entirely positive. But now I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay Elements palette. I love this palette so much. I used this so much when I was first starting off my channel. And that's 2 Urban Decay I've used so far. So now I'm going to be going in with one of these 2 green colors. And I think I'm going to be going in with the lighter color, Secret Keeper, just to really get a big contrast here. So dipping into that with the Jeffree Star Morphe brush, JS5. And I'm going to be using that color in my crease. Oh yeah, it's a big contrast. And now for the middle part you left blank, I'm taking the STILA liquid eyeshadow, Shimmer in Gold, in the shade Vivid Jade, another green color. And now I'm going to be putting this on the dead center where I left it blank. Okay, next up we're going to be moving on to eyeliner. Now I'm taking my cap on the tattoo liner in Trooper, and I'm going to be winging it out. And I messed up the liner, so I'm going to need my concealer and my beauty blender, and I'm just going to clean that up, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back, and while I was gone, I also winged out my other eye in case I needed to clean it up again, and I did. So now we're going to be moving on to the next eyeliner, the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Goldmine. And we're going to be doing yet another first on this channel. I am going to be doing sort of a cut crease glitter eye. I don't know how to explain it. It's where you take another color and you just make a line on your eye. I know it's a cut crease, but I know there's like different kinds. I already did one different kind right here. Anyway, I'm going to take the liner. And this is the first time I've done this. Now I've got hooded eyelids, so I got to go a little above. And you may have to go back in every now and again. Oh, or just turn the brush. And just keep going around until you hit your eyeliner wing. It starts at the very beginning of your eyeshadow and goes all the way over to your wing. Anyway, now that I've done that eye, I'm going to be moving on to the other eye. Okay, I've cut creased my eyes. Now I'm going to be moving on to one more eyeliner. This is the last one, I swear. It's for my waterline. It's my L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner, and it's for my waterline. Alright, now that that's done, I'm just going to be going back in with the Sight color from the Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette. I'm just going to dip into that. Use the very tip of the brush, and I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line just a little bit. Okay, let's finally move on to lashes. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with an eyelash curler real quick. And I'm going to prime my lashes with my Benefit They're Real Tinted Primer. And now I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in the Diamond Edition. Okay, now lashes. Now you can choose to just go with mascara, or you can put on your favorite pair of lashes. Right now, I've really been loving these natural 174 lashes by Ardell. I really like these. I don't know why I like them so much. The first time I wore these actually was my Chit Chat Get Ready With Me during my Descendants video. Anyway, take your lashes and your lash glue and just put on your lashes. I'm gonna cut because lashes are a pain in the butt for me, but I will see you in a minute. Okay, my lashes are on, and there is one last thing for the eyes, and that is to put mascara on my bottom lashes. And for that, I think I'm gonna use a different mascara from the one I put on my top. For this mascara, I am taking the Lancôme mascara, Big is the New Black. The Monsieur, I don't speak French, I'm sorry. Monsieur Big. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Oh, there's the wand. This is the first time I've opened this mascara. That's a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And just gently on my bottom lashes. Careful not to get mascara on your skin or on your eyeshadow. I'm gonna wiggle the brush like I would on my top lashes. And they clump together at the ends because I didn't do it right, and I don't do it very often. So I don't have anything to break that up. Oh, no. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I do have something to break that up. I have a little spoolie right here. I can break it up with that. I just realized I had a spoolie. And now that I remember my spoolie, I'm gonna go back in with my mascara that I held upside down again. And I'm gonna do the bottom lashes on my other eye. The other eye is always harder to do because it's on the opposite side of my dominant hand, so. Okay, spoolie, do your thing. Okay, but I'm done with that, and now it's time to move on to the rest of my face. So what I'm gonna do next is contouring. I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Universal. And this brown little cream part right here, that is my contour size. So I'm just gonna contour my cheeks, sides of my nose, just a little bit under, sides of my forehead. My hair won't cooperate. Hang on, I got another mirror down here. But now that I've contoured that, I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and I'm just going to be blending that out. Be very careful on the sides of your nose. This one's usually the harder part. Okay, now that I've cream contoured, I'm gonna be bronzing. So I'm gonna be taking my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer, and I'm going to be dipping into it. Tap off the excess. And I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and just a little bit on the sides of my nose. Okay, moving on to blush. I'm going to be taking my I Heart Revolution Peach and Glow blush. And the last time I used this was in my chocolate makeup tutorial, I think. Although I might have used it in my Gabby Hanna's tutorial as well, now that I think about it. Anyway, with my Jeffree Star Morphe brush in JS2, I'm gonna be dipping into this side right here. And I'm gonna overdose on the blush because I got a heavy hand and I don't know the meaning of light. Oh, not that bad. Not that bad this time. Okay, let's see if I can make it 2 for 2. I don't know, I think it's okay, but it might be a little heavy. But not bad. Not bad. Okay. Alright, today was a blush win. Blush is usually my enemy. Anyway, now highlighter. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild limited edition highlighting bar in Midnight Moon from the Mermaid collection. And with a fan brush, I'm dipping into that. And I'm gonna be highlighting my cheekbones, down my nose, but adding extra on the tip. I think this time I'll highlight my chin a little bit. I'm also gonna be adding highlighter on the center of my forehead, on my temples, and with one of my fingers, I'm gonna be dipping into it, and I'll be highlighting my brow bone, and my inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna be moving on to lips. And I'm taking my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Metal Matte Lipstick in Siren's Jewel. Ooh, I think this is actually a blue color. Oh, nope, it's green. Okay, that's done. I had to touch it up a little bit. I did mess it up, but that's okay. That's what concealer is for. Okay, so now that the lipstick is on, I'm going to be highlighting my Cupid's bow. Just dip into that. Highlight a little bit. Okay, now I'm finished with all the makeup and the very last step is setting spray. So I'm taking my Too Faced 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And I'm done! Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video. And please, please stay a beautiful mystery. Bye! Happy Halloween!